Have you ever looked at a single photograph and wondered if it told the whole story? Or almost none of it? That's exactly what happened when Sam Heughan stepped onto the red carpet at a recent film premiere. Within minutes, photos spread across social media. But fans weren't just talking about his sharp suit, his confident smile, or the excitement of another major career milestone. They were asking one question that seemed impossible to ignore. Who was the woman standing beside him? Almost overnight, comment sections filled with theories. Some fans wondered if Sam had finally introduced someone special. Others believed the appearance meant something much bigger. A few even connected the moment to years of speculation surrounding his famously private personal life. But here's the surprising part. The photographs may have created a mystery, yet they didn't necessarily tell the full story. For more than a decade, Sam Heughan has become one of television's most recognizable faces through Outlander. Millions know him as Jamie Fraser, the fearless Highland warrior whose unforgettable love story with Claire Fraser captured audiences around the world. Because viewers have watched Jamie's deeply emotional romance for so many years, many naturally became curious about the man behind the character. That curiosity has followed Sam almost everywhere. Unlike many Hollywood stars who regularly share details about relationships, vacations, or family moments, Sam has taken a very different path. Through interviews over the years, he's consistently explained that he prefers to keep much of his personal life away from public attention. He enjoys connecting with fans, promoting his work, supporting charities, and sharing adventures from his fitness journey, but he rarely discusses his dating life in detail. Ironically, that privacy has often created even more curiosity. Every public appearance becomes a puzzle waiting to be solved. A simple dinner with friends can become headline news. A photograph with a colleague quickly sparks online debates. Even standing beside someone on a red carpet can launch thousands of social media posts asking the same question. What does this mean? The recent premiere was no exception. As cameras flashed from every direction, Sam looked relaxed and genuinely happy. He greeted photographers, smiled for interviews, and celebrated another important step in his career beyond Outlander. Yet despite the excitement surrounding the film itself, many conversations online shifted almost immediately toward the unidentified companion seen in several photographs. Within hours, fan pages were comparing images from different angles. Some searched previous events hoping to recognize her face. Others began creating theories based on only a few seconds of video footage. But there was one important problem. Very little verified information actually existed at that moment. The internet moved much faster than the facts. And that's something we've seen before. Throughout his career, Sam has often found himself at the center of online speculation simply because he values privacy. In past interviews, he has acknowledged that intense public attention can sometimes make personal relationships more challenging, especially when every appearance is analyzed by millions of people. That perspective makes this latest premiere especially interesting. Was this truly the beginning of a major new chapter in Sam's personal life? Or had social media simply transformed an ordinary red carpet moment into something far bigger than reality? The answer isn't as simple as many headlines suggested. Because once you separate verified facts from internet speculation, an entirely different story begins to emerge.
As the photos continued spreading online, one thing became clear almost immediately. People wanted answers before there were any confirmed facts. That's how stories can take on a life of their own. The truth is that a red carpet is a busy place. Actors, producers, publicists, studio executives, friends, cast members, and invited guests often arrive together or pose for photographs at different moments throughout the evening. A single image rarely tells the entire story. In Sam Heughan's case, reputable coverage of the premiere confirmed that he attended the event and spent time celebrating the project with fellow guests. However, none of the official event organizers or Sam himself announced a new romantic relationship. That distinction is important. Some online posts quickly suggested the mystery woman was his girlfriend. Others confidently claimed she was someone connected to the film. But without confirmation from Sam or other reliable sources, those claims remained speculation, not established fact. That didn't stop the conversation from growing. Fans zoomed into photographs looking for clues. They compared outfits, body language, and even facial expressions. Every new angle seemed to generate another theory. Yet experienced fans noticed something familiar. This wasn't the first time Sam's private life had become the center of attention. Over the years, he's walked countless red carpets with co-stars, friends, producers, and colleagues. Nearly every time, rumors followed. Most eventually faded once more information became available, or once it became clear there simply wasn't a story behind the headlines. Sam has addressed this kind of attention in several interviews over the years. While he appreciates the incredible support from Outlander fans, he has also explained that keeping part of his life private helps him maintain a sense of normalcy. Fame may place someone in the spotlight, but it doesn't erase their right to personal boundaries. It's a balance he's worked hard to protect. That balance has become even more important because of the extraordinary success of Outlander. For more than a decade, audiences have watched one of television's most beloved love stories unfold between Jamie Fraser and Claire Fraser. Sam's remarkable on-screen chemistry with Caitríona Balfe helped create moments that fans still revisit years later. Naturally, that emotional investment sometimes carries into real life. Some viewers become deeply curious about the actors behind the characters they love. Others simply hope to see their favorite stars happy outside of work. There's nothing unusual about that curiosity. The challenge comes when curiosity turns into certainty without evidence. A photograph can capture a moment. It can't explain every relationship. It can't reveal private conversations. And it certainly can't confirm someone's personal life on its own. That's why it's worth slowing down before accepting dramatic headlines at face value. Interestingly, while much of the internet focused on the unidentified companion, another part of the evening received far less attention. Sam himself seemed completely focused on celebrating his latest project, meeting fans, speaking with reporters, and enjoying the event. His enthusiasm reflected an actor who has spent years building a career beyond a single role, even while Outlander remains such a meaningful part of his journey. Perhaps that's the biggest detail many people overlooked. The premiere wasn't just about one photograph. It was another reminder that Sam Heughan's career continues to evolve, with new films, new creative opportunities, and new chapters waiting to be written. And that realization leads to an even more interesting question. Why does every glimpse into Sam's personal life create such an emotional reaction from fans around the world? The answer has less to do with one mysterious premiere and much more to do with the remarkable connection he has built over the years.
Maybe the real mystery was never the woman at the premiere. Maybe it was why one simple red carpet moment meant so much to so many people. The answer goes back nearly a decade. When Outlander first introduced audiences to Jamie Fraser, few could have predicted the impact the character would have. Jamie wasn't just brave or charming. He was loyal, compassionate, and deeply devoted to the people he loved. Sam Heughan brought those qualities to life with a sincerity that resonated far beyond the screen. As season after season unfolded, viewers felt as though they were growing alongside Jamie. They celebrated his victories, mourned his losses, and watched him overcome impossible challenges. Before long, Sam wasn't simply playing a beloved character. He had become someone fans genuinely admired. That admiration naturally extended beyond the show. Fans wanted to know more about the man behind the kilt. They watched convention panels, behind-the-scenes interviews, and charity events. They laughed at his playful sense of humor during cast interviews and appreciated the kindness he showed when meeting supporters around the world. One relationship, in particular, became impossible to ignore. Sam's friendship with Caitríona Balfe has always been one of the most talked about aspects of Outlander. Their chemistry as Jamie and Claire felt so authentic that many viewers found it difficult to separate the characters from the actors portraying them. But both Sam and Caitríona have consistently explained that their connection is built on trust, friendship, and years of working together. Caitríona has spoken warmly about their professional partnership, while Sam has often praised her extraordinary talent and dedication. Their mutual respect became one of the reasons Outlander succeeded for so long. When Caitríona married music producer Tony McGill in 2019, fans celebrated her happiness, even as some longtime rumors finally came to an end. It served as a reminder that the emotional magic audiences see on screen doesn't always reflect real life. Sam, meanwhile, continued choosing a different path. Instead of discussing his personal relationships publicly, he focused on his work. Between filming Outlander, launching new acting projects, writing best-selling books, growing his Fascinate Spirits brand, and supporting charities like My Peak Challenge, he kept building a career that reached far beyond one television series. Yet the questions never completely disappeared. Every interview eventually included one familiar topic. How do you balance fame with privacy? Sam's answers have remained remarkably consistent. He's expressed gratitude for passionate fans, while also acknowledging that constant public attention can make maintaining a private life challenging. It's a careful balance, sharing enough to stay connected while preserving space for the people and moments that matter most. Perhaps that's why the premiere sparked such a powerful reaction. It wasn't only about one photograph. It reflected years of curiosity that had been quietly building among fans who have followed Sam's journey since the very beginning. And now we'd love to hear from you. Have you been watching Outlander since season 1? Or did you discover the series more recently? What's your favorite Sam Heughan moment? An unforgettable Jamie Fraser scene, a behind-the-scenes interview, or one of his projects outside Outlander? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to read them. As the online conversations continued, something interesting started to happen. Many fans began shifting the discussion away from rumors and back toward what truly mattered. Instead of trying to solve a mystery with limited information, they celebrated Sam's latest achievements and the excitement of seeing him continue to grow as an actor. In many ways, that change in perspective says everything. After spending years entertaining audiences, Sam has earned the freedom to let his work speak louder than speculation. And as the evening came to an end, one thing became clear. The biggest story wasn't who happened to appear in a photograph beside him. It was the remarkable journey of an actor who continues to evolve, surprise audiences, and inspire loyal fans, all while staying true to the values that have defined him from the very beginning. But that unforgettable premiere also marked something much larger than a single night. It symbolized a new chapter in Sam Heughan's career, one that reaches beyond the world of Outlander, while never forgetting the fans who helped make the journey possible. That final chapter is where the story comes full circle. As the camera stopped flashing and the premiere slowly came to an end, the mystery that had dominated social media began to fade. But the conversation it started revealed something much deeper. For years, Sam Heughan has lived in a unique position. He's one of television's most recognizable stars, yet he's also one of the industry's most private. That combination naturally creates curiosity. Fans celebrate his successes and genuinely hope to see him happy. But curiosity and certainty are not the same thing. The premiere was a perfect example. One photograph inspired countless headlines and endless online discussions. Yet, when the excitement settled, the verified facts remained surprisingly simple. Sam had attended an important event, supported his latest project, and shared the evening with fellow guests. Beyond that, many of the dramatic stories circulating online were exactly what they appeared to be: speculation rather than confirmed news. In many ways, that's become a lesson for all of us. In today's world, information travels faster than ever before. A single image can reach millions of people within minutes. Opinions form almost instantly, and assumptions often spread long before reliable information catches up. Sam has never suggested that fans shouldn't be interested in his life. Quite the opposite.
He's always expressed gratitude for the incredible support that has followed him throughout his career. Whether meeting fans at conventions, raising millions through My Peak Challenge, or sharing updates about his travels and creative projects, he has consistently shown appreciation for the community that helped make his success possible. At the same time, he's also reminded people that every public figure deserves a personal life away from the spotlight. Perhaps that's one reason so many people continue to respect him. His authenticity has remained remarkably consistent from the beginning of Outlander to the present day. He hasn't chased headlines or relied on controversy to stay relevant. Instead, he has focused on improving his craft, exploring new creative opportunities, and challenging himself with every new role. And those opportunities continue to grow. Even as Outlander approaches the end of its extraordinary television journey, Sam's career is entering another exciting chapter. New film projects, television appearances, business ventures, and charitable work all point toward an actor determined to keep evolving rather than simply looking back. Of course, no matter where his career leads, Outlander will always be part of his story. Jamie Fraser isn't just a character. For millions of viewers, he represents courage, loyalty, sacrifice, and enduring love. Those qualities became unforgettable because Sam poured so much heart into every performance. Alongside Caitríona Balfe, he helped create one of television's most beloved partnerships, one that continues to inspire audiences around the world. That's a legacy that extends far beyond any single premiere or viral photograph. Years from now, fans probably won't remember every rumor that briefly trended online. But they will remember Jamie riding across the Highlands. They'll remember Claire and Jamie overcoming impossible odds together. They'll remember the laughter behind the scenes, the emotional interviews, and the genuine gratitude Sam has shown to the fans who supported him from the very beginning. Maybe that's the real answer to the mystery. The most meaningful part of that premiere wasn't the identity of a companion standing beside Sam for a few photographs. It was seeing an actor who has spent more than a decade earning admiration through talent, humility, and dedication continue moving confidently into the future. And perhaps that's exactly where the focus belongs. As one chapter slowly closes, another is just beginning. Whether you've followed Sam Heughan since the very first episode of Outlander or only recently discovered his work, one thing seems certain. His journey is far from over, and there are still many stories left to tell. So what do you think? Did the internet read too much into one red carpet moment, or do you think fans were simply showing how much they care about one of their favorite actors? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy thoughtful stories about Outlander, Sam Heughan, Caitríona Balfe, and the incredible people behind the series, don't forget to subscribe. There are plenty more fascinating moments, unforgettable memories, and behind-the-scenes stories waiting to explore. Until next time, thanks for watching.